So hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to be looking at fixing the IVM module to my BMW 6 Series. Now, a few days ago I was out in a different city and then the car decided to not start on me. So it was quite an awkward moment. I ended up getting home at 6 a.m. Which really did take its toll on me. In essence, what happened was when I pressed the start button, it felt as though the car just didn't want to start. It's like if you left the car in gear and drive and you turn the car off and then you went to turn the car back on, it just won't start. So it was basically the same thing happening. Even though everything was fine, I had the AA come, I had to get recovered and everything. No one could figure it out. At one point, what happened was the guy was, he towed me to a service point, and then I think the way he slammed the bonnet must have caused the car to come back to life. With the IVM module, there's some soldering points that can get cracked over time, and if you go over a bump or something like that, then they can go. So I've bought a brand new one, which I have just here. I got this from BMW. It was only £88 or 88 pounds and 3 pence. But I feel like that's actually not too bad of a price considering it's from BMW. I did see some on eBay as well from like Lithuania and stuff like that for like 70 something pounds, but you have to wait for delivery and stuff like that. And in all fairness, knowing that it's a 100% genuine item, it's worth not having the headache. So I'm going to look at installing this now, which I might as well take it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It is in the engine bay, so we're just going to jump into locating where it is and then looking into fitting the new one on. So everyone, we're going to start off by removing everything from the cabin filter area. So have to remove this rubber trim first. So you got to unclip that bit there. Real quick, I just wanted to interrupt the video by saying the IVM module is located on the passenger side of the car. So if you're a right-hand drive car, it'll be on the left-hand side, and if it's a left-hand drive car, it'll be on the right. My car is a right-hand drive car, which is why when you're looking at the engine bay, it's on the right, because that's the passenger side, and if it's the opposite way around, if it's going to be a left-hand drive car. Just something I wanted to tell you guys now. So, again, undo, and then unclip this. You'll be able to slide this open. Good thing with this one is you can completely remove it somewhere. 1, 2, 3. So you got a T20 just over here as well. You just need to remove. That's it. You can remove this side. Living the best life. Right, looks like they are quite long screws. But once I get this off, voila!
There's the IVM module. As I told you guys earlier, because I'm a BMW expert, I've got the module right here.
So as you guys can see, here is the module that we already have. There is the one that we're going to be looking at replacing. It actually goes on this way. So I'm going to put that to a side. And I'm actually going to go and disconnect the negative terminal to the battery. Last thing you want is for anything to go wrong here. So I'm going to go to the back, undo that. Oh yes. Because I am always prepared. So yeah, that's all disconnected. Time to have some rubber dinghy rapids fun. So cable one off.
Some YouTuber said it just slides out.
Some YouTubers did say that. Why would they lie to you for? I don't know. I don't know. It's really tight in there.
Yeah, that's what she
Let
said.
me okay. If only there was a YouTube video out there to show you exactly how to do this. Oh wait, we're making it. Did you like that joke? Was it funny, bro? I was hoping for more than that.
What's that?
Aha! Yeah, it was funny. It's connected to everything underneath, and I have no idea how to take off those connections.
So he's gonna do what I said of just yanking it out. Give it a good yank.
It's literally so close to coming out.
Oh yeah.
I'm really close to coming out.
So basically, followed my technique of yanking it, and it's worked.
Yeah, I guess you could say that. The black one went in here. The green one went in here, and I think the white one goes in here. I'll try and pull these cables out a bit more. Can I just say that is probably one of the worst designs for how to leave something. I'm not done yet though.
So the bottom cables are connected. Now it goes back to the top ones.
Yeah, which, trust me when I say it, it's a little bit more awkward than you actually think. Right, so
Do it from the right side.
there we go. Dang. And this one is finally in. Now the reason why I haven't fully pushed it all in there.
Start your car and test it.
Start your car and test it. Exactly. Oh, can I just say, my back really hurts.
So basically, everything's going back together now. It's all sorted. That is how you change the RVM module.
IVM.
That's what I said, IVM.
Sound like it said IVR. I know you said IVM, but it's just the way you said it. It just sounded weird.
Sorry.
I don't know why. Maybe it's just my hearing. I'm getting old.
Maybe it is.
I think so. But yeah.
You wanna sign that out? Because
Right. Well, hold on.
Okay.
We haven't finished yet.
Oh.
What are you saying sign up for? We haven't signed up.
Okay.
You never finish until the job is done. Am I getting a phone call?
That's it. Oh, I got this. My team player here. Oh. Okay, so hold on. No, I got this. Hold on.
Can I just help you here real quick?
Oh, you know why? Because you didn't tuck the cable away. No, I got this now. Go. There we go. Done. See that?
Hold up.
Oh, alright.
After the install, I did take apart my old IVM module. Now, I'm going to try and zoom in. Well, I'm going to bring it up close to the camera there. So in essence, what's happened there is this has gotten water damage. Now, there are fuses to this, which, you know, basically don't really go wrong. It's not really a problem with the fuses here. It's an actual problem with the module. So I would honestly recommend that if you're in an area where the car does get wet on a regular basis or anything like that, maybe change this every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Now, obviously you might not own the car for that long, but if you already have a car that's creeping up to that mileage or twice as much that miles, then definitely look at changing this. I would have done so 100% had I known that this can go just like that. It's a fairly cheap item that can be used as a service item. And the problem that you're faced with if it goes wrong, like how I was, where, you know, being on a weekend, the way I got stranded and stuff like that, it is not worth it. I would definitely have changed this had I known that this is such an easy item to change and it can cause that problem in the future. So definitely recommend doing that, because at the end of the day, these little things, you know, being a BMW or any car, it's all about the sensors and stuff like that. They're the things that can cause you a big headache if they go wrong. It's not like old cars where everything's mechanical. I hope you guys did find this video helpful. If you did, please hit like. You know, that really helps the channel, really helps the video. People that will have this kind of a problem generally don't know what they're searching for and they're trying to problem solve. So if someone has a car that isn't starting, then by coming across this video, that could really help them. So if you did come across this video and you found it helpful and it did help you fix your BMW problems, then please do hit that like button. Really appreciate that. And if you do like the other videos on my channel and just want to support me or just continue watching everything else that I do with my builds, please do hit subscribe. Or if anything else, just comment if you have anything that you want to say down below. But yeah, I just wanted to say, everyone, sign off the video. Keep building your dreams. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.